Hello and welcome to Mangley Town and another Class 43 unboxing. This time we have Hornby R2299, which is titled Great Western Trains, but it does still have the first logo on it as well, so I don't know if that's quite classed as a first Great Western. I know there's two slightly various liveries on these. Whether they're both nicknamed Barbie or not, I'm not too sure. But this is the one I decided to go for. The other livery wasn't definite enough for me to go for at the moment, but we'll see as time progresses. So first of all, we have the power car, which is 43042. I know I've had some liveries which have been quite drab, but at least this is a much brighter one. And this one is named West Ham United. Not a footy fan, but I suppose some are. So again, nice bright fun livery. And the same again on the dummy car, 43029. And then another coaches. And the other one tend to be both second class coaches in the train packs. And then obviously if they do it you get a TGS and then more first and second class in the separate coaches. So that's the Great Western livery. And again, sometime soon I'll get that on the layout and show you all the rest of the coaches I've got for it. So if you'd like to see that and more of my Class 43 collection, then don't forget to subscribe, and if you hit the notifications bell as well, you'll get a notification of whenever I upload a new video. But thank you for watching. See you soon.